Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. Many iPhone 16 Pro Max users are reporting that their camera crashes when they try to take a pic. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. First solution is restart your iPhone. For that, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your device. Wait for few seconds and turn your device back on. Second solution is turn off macro control. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on Camera. Tap on Preserve Settings. Here, turn off macro control. Third solution is first restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4 is turn off reduce motion. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Motion. If reduce motion is turned on, turn it off. Solution 5 is check for iOS update. To do this, go to Settings app. Tap on General. Here, tap on Software Update. If update is available, download and install it. Solution 6 is reset all settings. When you do reset all settings, all your customized settings will go back to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. At bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Next, enter the passcode of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.